In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make thousands of dollars on YouTube. You don't need a camera, you don't need to make your own videos. All you need is just a copy and paste. I'll be showing you a brand new way that you can make money on YouTube without making any of the videos yourself. I will personally walk you through and show you everything and how it's all done. There are a lot of channels on YouTube that are already doing this and getting thousands of views and making a lot of money from just YouTube ad revenue. But before we start, welcome to the channel, Teach Me Money Methods. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever I upload a new video online, you'll be updated with my new content. Now let's get back to the video. So I will teach you how you can download these videos without watermarks, and from there you'll be able to make thousands of dollars every single day if you wish. I will give you a step-by-step strategy and show you exactly what you can do to start creating the same kinds of videos so that you can also make a lot of money on YouTube. If you want to know how it's done, make sure you keep watching this video all the way to the end. Now I want to show you a channel that has done the same thing and is very successful. All they're doing is creating these simple compilation videos and making a lot of money. This channel right here is called Royale. If you look over here, you'll see that this channel is officially verified by YouTube. As we all know, to get a verification mark by YouTube, your content has to be unique and well approved. I will be showing you why and how this channel has been this successful, and I'll also show you where they're getting their videos from. Now let us watch one of their videos.
Welcome to Trend Royale.
As you can see, this is their logo right here. And as you heard, they have a unique intro voice at the beginning of the video. And if we play the video furthermore, you will notice that each time a new clip is introduced, there's a voiceover.
Like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds for a week of good luck. Enjoy the video. It almost looks like they're swaying to the music.
As you can see, this content is unique. One of the things that also makes this channel unique is their collection of videos. As you can see, each video has a particular compilation topic put together. Right over here, we have most insane stuff caught on camera. Here we have videos with unexpected endings. And right here, we have you smile, you lose. As you can see, they have grouped these videos into categories. So now, without wasting time, I'm going to show you how you can also make the same videos. So guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment below if you have a question. Now let's continue the video. First, to get these videos, you have to head over to TikTok.com. Now, once you're here, you need to search for a particular topic. For example, funny dogs, instant karma, funny grandma. There are a lot of topics you can decide to search on. For this video, we're going to search for instant karma. So type in the search bar right here, #instant-karma. Once you are done, hit enter. On this page right here, click on videos. Now you're going to see a lot of videos that are all related to instant karma. If you scroll all the way through, you'll see a lot of videos on this platform. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to peek some of these videos and download them and use them on our channel. You'll have to select and download at least 6 to 10 videos per project. To download any video, just click on the video and then open it. Once you do that, you'll see a link right here. All you have to do is copy this link right here. Now I'm going to show you how you can download this video using the link. First, go to this website right here, ttdownloader.com. This website will help us download these TikTok videos without the watermarks. But before we download our video, I want to show you another video downloader right here. This website is called sstick.io. You can also use this website if you want to. Now we have 2 options to download our videos. All you need is to paste the link you have copied right here and then click on Get Video. This drop-down menu will appear, and now you can choose to download the video without a watermark or with the watermark, or you can just choose to download the audio. For this tutorial, we are downloading the video without a watermark. So click here. Once it opens, click on the 3 dots right here, and then click on download, and it will be downloaded on your PC. From this point, what you're going to be doing is go back to TikTok and copy and download as many videos as possible. Once you've downloaded enough videos, now it's time to edit the videos. I'm going to show you 2 free ways to edit your videos. The first method is using a free video editor called OpenShot. This video editor is totally free and very easy to use. All you need to do is to drag and drop your videos and join them together. You can get this video editor on your Windows, Linux, or Apple computer. So if you're interested in learning how to edit videos with OpenShot, just go to YouTube and type in how to use OpenShot Video Editor. And as you can see, there are a lot of videos on YouTube, all for free, on how you can use this free video editor. Make sure to watch these videos if you want to learn how to use the free software. Now, the second method. Go to this website right here. The website is called canva.com. On this website, you can do a lot of things. You can create a logo just like the one we saw in the YouTube video we watched. You can also edit your videos using this website. To edit your video on this website, you can click right here, or you can just type in the search bar video and hit enter. But for this video, we're going to click here. Let it load. Once you're on this page, you can upload your videos, the ones that you just downloaded, by clicking right here. And then click here where it says Upload Media. And now you'll be able to upload all your videos to the platform to edit them. It is also very easy to use. So if you want to professionally learn how to use this website, canva.com, you can head over to YouTube right here and search for how to edit videos using Canva. As you can see, there are a lot of videos on YouTube, all for free, that will teach you step by step on how to use Canva to edit your videos for free. All you need to do is watch them, and you'll be able to make professional, good-looking videos on YouTube. Finally, if you want to design your logo using Canva, just go to YouTube again and search for how to make a logo using Canva. And again, there are tons of videos on YouTube for free on how you can make your very own unique logo on Canva for free. So guys, make sure to take advantage of this. You can't be lazy and make money. Get to work, learn, and earn. And that's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be updated with my new content. I will see you in the next video.